Hey and welcome to Alpha1. In this video we are going to trade some monthly for binary option again, and I have some good news for you. I have decided that I want to give away to everyone that follow me, so it's easier to make money with this broker over here. So I did go into the settings and everything, and I give away 60% of everything I make from my affiliate income. If I could, I would give everything, but I can't. 60% was actually the most I could do. So when you're trading, you get cash back 60% every time you do a trade. So how amazing is that? So you're welcome. And that is only if you use this link you see up here right now, or the link you find below the video. Also, I give you, so you get 50% extra on your first deposit. This is also automatically included in the link for this broker, okay? If you have a account with this broker from before, close it down, make sure you close it down, withdraw your money, close it down, and repost it into the new link you have now, because this is a special link. I don't think anyone give you something like this. So make sure that you, and this will be forever. It's not something that you join now and you get less later. No, this 60% you get forever using the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notifications, you never lose a video from me, and also make a comment if you have any questions. And yes, I need to say, I do give Forex and binary option signals every Monday till Saturday. You find link for WhatsApp group and Telegram group below, so you can join there. Also, I have a paid, so you can see my screen live when I'm trading. I had a live for everyone today, by the way, in WhatsApp and Telegram. But now, if you want to see that daily, that's a paid service here in YouTube. You find a link below the video for that also. Now we are done with the introduction. If I could speak proper English now. It's my second language, so don't. It's not perfect, just so you know. So I will now start to see if I can find any trades of this broker. So now let's see what we can find. Typically I look for specific areas where we see the market go up. I don't have so much time today, so maybe just throw in a trade just to get my point out. Like up here I would have taken out a sell trade. Down here maybe a buy trade. Probably if we come down there I will do it. Let's see. If this one can turn into a red bar, we will do a up trade. And I do it on the 30-second. Okay. Now let's see. You need to break this area here a little. Let's zoom in. Still not happy with it. We need a little more down to take the trade. Or if I don't go down, I'll just skip it. I'm a little specific where I take my trades. There, that was too much for me, but we have one down there. So if we go down there one more time, we take it. If we can come down a little more, now I'm looking for this region to take a trade. Now I start to be tired about this pair, so let's see if another one can give us some opening. No. Here I will take a trade down in this region, up trade that is. Now let's see. I like to trade in the areas where I see we get refusement, you know. And here we can maybe take a down trade if we come up to where we close it. Let's see. And almost. We are a little unlucky right now to get a trade. Maybe we get on the retry here now. I want to take it there, just to make it clear for you. There, we are in. I want to take it here. just because I see most of the time he come up to that region, we get refusement. If we lose, to take $100 up, little higher, and that we can take there, just because we see that the spikes here typically close below, just in the case we lose this one here. Maybe we win both, let's see. I think we won the first. Let's see if we can win the next also. I need to check that after. And that one we lost. So we won one and we lost one. Okay, but that means we made profit at least. Let's take one more trade up there. There, we are in. Nice entry. Then we will, after, of course, in the end, I will show you the trades and how much profit we made, as always. So you see we had the spikes here. I did take one in the top of the spike. Beautiful entry. Let's see if we win first. But it's a beautiful entry. Win or lose, I'm happy with the entry. Because you see he typically close below that entry. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and there we won. So there you see how easy you can make money. Just take the trades on the spikes, and if you sometimes feel you got a bad entry, just go in one more time, like you see I did. So that's how easy you make money. So take advantage of this special link I made for you. Like I said, you get 60% of my affiliate income back to you. So that means when you're trading, you get cash back on every single trade you do. So take advantage of that. Like I said, I would have given everything if it was possible. I thought I did, but I did not. I only can give 60%. That's the max I can give of my own affiliate income. So that means basically you are making more from your own trades than I make on you. Okay, it's not much, but it's a little. Helps a little, so it's easier for you to make money with this broker. I want you to succeed. That's why I do that for you. So make sure you join today. If you have, like I said, if you have an account with Pocket Option from before, make sure you go in and close it, because you're not allowed to have two accounts. So make sure you withdraw your money, close your old account, and reopen with this new link. Because why won't you when you can make extra money on every single trade? Makes sense, right? So make sure you do that. And if you need any help, you always will find me in WhatsApp. You just send me a message and I will help you out. If you are losing in the start, you show me your trades, where you enter, make some screenshots, whatever, and I will explain for you what I would have done in that situation. Okay, so have an amazing day, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never lose a video from me.